So here is a question. What is this group by in Python and what is the use case of it? So first of all, as you can see, we have read our data and we have stored that in a variable named df. So we are reading our Excel file and this is our Excel file. As you can see, it has two columns, title. Suppose that these are some videos or some posts, that these are their titles, and some of them are in Persian, which is my native language, and some of them are in English anyway. And it has another column which is called category. And inside this category, we are saying for each of these posts, they can have a category, and those categories can be A, B, or C. So here, for example, I can say df, which is our data. As you can see, this is our data. So we say df.groupby because you want to group those things by the category column. So when we do this, it is going to, as I've told you, we have three categories, A, B, C. So it is going to divide that data into three categories. Some of them are A, some of them are B, and some of them are C. And after that, we want to sample, we want to draw, for example, 5 samples, 5 data from each of those groups randomly. So this is called sample. So we want to sample 5 data randomly, and after that, you want to call that sampled. And actually, we are stacking all of those things together, and we're putting them all together, and we're storing that in the sampled variable. And after that, we print the sampled variable. And now if I run the code, as you can see, this is the result. We have title and we have category. And from each category, we have drawn 5 samples. And maybe you ask, oh, why these things are messed up? For example, A for this one is here, but for this one is here. It's actually a problem. It's actually a bug of PyCharm. Because as you can see, we have some stuff which are in Persian, which is a right to left language. And also we have some stuff like this, which is from a left to right language. So when you mix these things together, unfortunately, PyCharm cannot render them properly, unfortunately. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next video.